Well, hello everybody. This is Miss Janice, and we are starting with our third grade math challenge. Now, it says that you're supposed to do it in a certain amount of time, but we can't because your child is working with me, and I'm showing them how to add, how to divide, how to multiply, how to subtract, and those are the rules of engagement that we're working with as a third grader. We're also doing I call this a division correction chart. It's in the back of every composition book. Some of these composition books have some interesting stuff in the back. I think I got this one for 58 cents from Fred Meyer, but I'm not sure. When I was starting with assurance, to be a assurance guide, I went and got this composition book, and I used to use these when I was a little kid. I am so honored. I'm like, you know. And what I suggest is that you not tear it, but you get those thick, good scissors, and you cut this out, and you put it somewhere like on your child's mirror, headboard, like in your child's room. Put it on their headboard so that when they're laying on their tummy on the bed reading the book, then they can look up and go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 46, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28. And you only have to go up to 24 because the timetables are 12 times 12, which is 144. Then, of course, you don't need to count by ones because by the time you get to your multiplication chart, I usually start with the multiplication chart when a child is 4 because it's sight math and they remember real good. Sight math fifth graders, they don't have to know how to multiply yet. They just know how to count by twos and threes and fours and fives. Can you imagine once a week, just a week, not a day, once a week doing the two times, counting by twos, another week counting by threes, another week counting by, and then just thinking of all these creative ways. Okay, let's see who can write it down the fastest. Okay, let's see who could, when you're older, of course. But if you're 4 years old and 5 and 6 and 7, that's how I just teach kids how to multiply. And then I teach them how to use their hands, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, 11, 12. So when you're doing your multiplication, it's like you hold up the 1, that's 10. You hold up the 2, 20. You hold up the 3, 30. You hold up the 4, 40. You hold up the 5, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 110. No, 110, 120. See? I mean, you do the 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 14. See, because if you know how to count by it, you can hear it, but then you do the fingers too. Of course, yes, I know sign language, but you do the fingers also. And you just teach them stuff. Just teach kids stuff. They'll learn it. Yeah. If they haven't gotten to the point where, oh no, algebra, they won't ever get there because by the time they get in the third grade, they're already doing algebra. I taught my little one, I think how old was he? About 5. He was supposed to have been going into kindergarten, but at home I was teaching him how to multiply, divide, add, subtract. And so he goes to school and he's this brainiac. They put him in young and gifted class at his school that he was going to, like that. So it's amazing what will happen when you teach your kids the number chart. This right here, the division correction chart. Right on the top, it says multiplication table, division correction chart. All right, I gotta go. I am sorry about that. But I just went over just this one problem, and I showed you how it gathers all the information that you need. It shows you videos. And why do we have to cross out instead of solving it all in our brain? See, look. It reminds me when I was in, I don't know what grade I was in, but the calculators came out and I was good in math, right? And the calculators came out, I was like, I didn't know how to use a calculator. I was like, I can do this faster in my head. And that right there sounds like, what about breaking apart 4-digit addition problems or subtraction problems? See, in order to correct subtraction, you need to know how to add. Somebody should have said that. But it's on here because it says addition, subtraction, and estimation strategies for adding 2 and 3-digit numbers. And when you get into the next grade level, of course. So with Khan Academy, you can go on ahead. You don't have to wait. Just keep going, keep going. It takes you to junior college, math for junior college. Okay. All right. I'm going to say I'll see you all later, and I will continue this later. I just wanted to, do a quick vid letting you know that Khan Academy is all fantabulous. I mean, this is like, and I love tutoring from it. I love it. It's free. They even tell you send it on, put it on Zoom, use it via Zoom, and you can video it, and it's just awesome. So I'm gonna go. I know I said that a few minutes ago, but I'm really gonna go this time. Will you all be encouraged and have a blessed evening? And if you need me, it's 505-695-2647. I love tutoring math. I love and enjoy tutoring reading and writing. All right, bye for now.